Hi, my name is Nur Hashira Bisha binti Muhammad. My membership card number is 33DFO19F10014. So for this English video, our group choose a experiment about determination of oil blending for cooking oil. So before we start the experiment, I would like to explain about the meaning of cloud point. Cloud point is the temperature at which, under condition of this test, a cloud indicate in the sample caused by the first stage of crystallization. So that what cloud point means. To start the experiment, I will talk about what material we use for the experiment. We use as palm oil and olive oil as a sample. Other than that, we also use transparent glass, pot for ice cube, a spoon and pot as apparatus. First step for the experiment, we must weigh the oil sample. So olive oil, we must weigh at 10 ml, and for palm olive oil, we weigh 40 ml. Mixing the oil mixture. Later, stir and wait for 50 minutes. So after 15 minutes, cool the blending oil and proceed with the cloud point analysis, which is one of my member group will continue the experiment. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Intan Najwa binti Kamardin. My matrix number is 33DFO19F1025. So now, I will continue the blending oil and cloud point analysis. Okay, next, after 15 minutes, we must cool the blending oil and proceed with the cloud point analysis. And before that, we have to leave it a few minutes to cool before we continue the cloud point analysis. Okay guys, now we will start the cloud point analysis. Okay, let's go. Okay, firstly, blended sample must be completely dry before we start the test. Okay, then heat the filtered oils to 130 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes immediately before making the test. Okay, so we must be careful while heat the oil. Okay, after that, pour about the 50 ml of the heated oil into a transparent glass. Okay, this is a transparent glass. Okay, make sure the oil is poured slowly so that it does not spilling out, and there are no injuries will happen. Okay, so let's do it. Okay. Okay, secondly, we must cool the transparent glass and the content in a water bath. The water bath is warm water. Okay. Alright. Then, stirring it to keep the temperature homogenized. Alright. When the sample has reached a temperature about 10 degrees Celsius and above, the cloud point or oil is clear. Okay, where is no cloudy is formed at the oil. Okay. Okay, now we can see the oil where no cloudy is formed. Okay, that is clear. Okay, next precaution is do not use the broken glass. Okay, we will remember this is because it will endanger yourself during the experiment, especially when hot material or chemicals are poured into the transparent glass. Okay, it will cause the glass to break. Alright, then keep our work area tidy and clean up any spills, including water on the floor. Okay. So, well, after this, my friend will explain and show the next cloud point procedure. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Rus Ainiza binti Rosli. My metric number is 33DFO19F1032. Next step for cloud point analysis is the sample of oil must put in ice or cool water into a water bath. So, we need to put ice or water in a water bath. The sample must put into a ice or cold water in a water bath. After that, start the stopwatch and begin stir rapidly in a circular motion as because to prevent from supercooling and solidification of fat crystal on the side or bottom of the glass. In addition, when cloudy is formed on the side or bottom of the glass, we need to stop the stopwatch and stop stir the sample. Stopwatch and stop stir. When it's cloudy form. Time. Lastly, show the result of oil become cloudy. The sample that we use in this experiment is palm oil and olive oil. We need to measure the palm oil about 40 ml and olive oil is 10 ml. This shows that palm oil have a saturated fatty acid because palmitic acid in palm oil are the highest saturated fatty acid, which is the percent of the palmitic acid are 44%, and palm oil also have a lowest unsaturated fatty acid, which is stearic acid. So, thank you for watching us. See you later. Bye. The precaution in this experiment is we must wear a safety boot when enter the lab because it can protect the foot from injury. Next is we must follow the lab safety to make sure people do some experiment in lab, it can protect themselves from injury that can happen.